Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the cheapest solution to getting your hands on a brand new M1 Apple chip with the Mac Mini. Let's get straight to unboxing. So I got the base model, which had 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD storage. Now, opening the box. First thing we get is the Mac Mini itself. Get our normal Apple support book. In it there are the normal stuff, one Apple sticker, power supply cable, pretty standard. Is that it? Where's the HDMI cable? But you can't complain because the speeds on the M1 are just crazy. Better than the Mac Pros of last year. £700 computer, almost faster than the £8,000 computer. Just crazy. Anyway, we're getting sidetracked now. Let's go on to setting this up. Just realised we've got to peel the seal off this Mac Mini. Let's do it. Wow, quite nice. Now to fit this really cool, really fast computer on my desk, it's bye-bye to Windows. Bye. Hello, macOS. Just looks so much tidier. Forgot that there's two USB-Cs here, so it's dongle time. And another for another monitor. And this is what you call using your Mac Mini to the full extent. Now that that's all plugged in, we can boot it up for the first time and start setting it up ready for use. So I forgot to tell you, but I'm going to add another monitor. There it is, 2 monitor setup with a brand new M1 Mac Mini. Time to boot it up. Wow, it has a built-in speaker. So at this point, my screens were just black and it'd been on for about 20 seconds. You get anything? Nothing? Oh, I see some light. There you have it. M1 Mac Mini with Big Sur. Now, let's run through the setup.
In language, press the return key.
Wow, they've even got a built-in function to tell you what to do. Crazy. Oh, there's my mouse. Oh, we'll go English UK.
Use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Oh, now the second one is turned on. There we go. Alright, we'll go for United Kingdom. Yep. Basically here I just run through the setup, so I sped it up just because I don't want to bore you. Okay, I'm going to quickly input my Apple ID. Password. For a verification code, that's what Apple does, so I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I put the verification code in, just hit agree and agree. If you listen to it, barely hear a sound. It's like the fan's not even on. There's no point even putting a fan in there. Oh, next step, full name. I'll change that. We'll do account name as password. We'll set that as something you guys don't need to know. Hint, no hint. Continue. Oh, I should have changed my picture. For football. Yay, it's setting up. As you can see, that is not the real time at all. Find my allows you to locate this map on a map. Okay, that's nice. Sure, Express. In this stage, some people like to choose dark mode. I don't have anything against it. I like both. I prefer to choose auto because it will change the look depending on the time, like the time it is. So that's why I choose auto. And we've just booted into macOS Big Sur on the new M1 Mac Mini. Look at that, just amazing. Keyboard assistant, because I'm not using an Apple keyboard. Too expensive for me. We'll just stick with some Windows. So I struggled a bit with the setup. Immediately to the right of the shift key. Oh, that one. I'm such an idiot. Alright, European, and we're done. Look at this. We're in macOS Big Sur. Apparently this monitor is actually 144 Hz. So I think if we go into system preferences and then go into displays, we can set this to be 144 Hz. Moment of truth. And at this point I got really scared because both my screens went black. My speakers started making a huge popping sound as if someone was shooting a or something. That doesn't sound too good, and it's gone black. Maybe we'll restart it just to be safe. No, don't reopen Windows, restart. Now's a great time to see how long it takes to boot. Let's time it when it turns off. Oh, that lovely sound. Oh, we're getting some life. I can confirm with you after a restart that we are actually on 144 Hz at 1440p. Look at this. May not be able to see it in this 30 FPS YouTube video. Wow, well, I won't use that too much. Should probably turn it to 120 Hz then. There we go, that's a bit better. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below for any more videos that you'd like. Thanks.